What's one hobby you never try but would you like to? Okay, hobby. Hobby. Okay, what is actually my hobby? Well, probably at this moment, all my hobby became my career. Okay, yeah. But there are a couple of hobbies or a couple of things I like to do. It's is it kind of like a something like hobby? I'm not really sure. Okay, like hobby का मतलब क्या होता है? Painting करना या kind of like a photography करना या kind of like a something really that कि yeah, like at this moment I just remember these are kind of like a something really should supposed to be included as a hobby. Okay, yeah. But like I think that ki there are kind of like a something really things that I want to do. Is it kind of like a something really hobby? I'm not really sure, but I am really interested to do such thing like that, and that is flying. Okay, मैं उड़ना चाहता हूँ, like उड़ना चाहता हूँ means like like not by the wings, but it's just like that कि I want that कि I could fly aircraft. Okay, एक छोटा सा aircraft जो इससे मैं उड़ा सकूँ, so that I could experience as a flying. Okay, यानी like उड़ना कैसा होता है. Okay, and I really love it. Okay, like if they are kind of like a something really that कि what is that is a superpower that I want that I want to fly. Why is this thing? I'm not really sure when I will have that kind of like a something really interest for flying, but there is a one specific moment that I'm really sure that I felt something really good. Okay, so have you watched Man of Steel? It's a Superman movie. Okay, directed by um, Zack Zack Snyder. All right. So in that movie, there is a scene where Superman is first time was flying. Okay, that flying scene of Superman was so good that I just felt like that. Wow, like it kind of like a something really says or tell us the thing that ki, what is exactly the Superman and how he could fly, and it's the way that he fast and things like I don't know, the entire scene was like like basically I just felt like that ना जब आप आसमान में उड़ते हो भाई फैलाकर it kind of like a something like that कि you just seen the entire world and I don't know just like that ना मुझे एक तरह से bird eyes view से मुझे दुनिया देखना काफ़ी अच्छा लगता है probably just like that I haven't really seen that but I seen bunch of drone shots and I really love them, I really like them. Okay, yeah. Then also another movies like which movie is this thing? It's I am not really sure about the name of the movie, but there is a three friend who got the power and got the power of flying and holding object without touching them. It's kind of like a something like magneto power. Okay, I am not really sure which movie is that, but it was really good, it was really great. In that movie they also kind of like a something like fly. Okay, and when they fly I felt like really good, like it felt that ki, wow. And yeah, so this is kind of like a something really that my hobby, or is it my hobby, I'm not really sure, but is it kind of like a something really my interest and I wanted to do that and I will definitely do that, definitely, yes. Next question.